In this video, we're going to show you how to extrude a 2D polyline into a 3D solid in AutoCAD. The Extrude command is one of the most useful 3D modeling tools in AutoCAD. It allows you to transform flat 2D shapes into three-dimensional objects by adding height or depth. This makes it possible to quickly create walls, columns, mechanical parts, furniture components, and many other types of 3D geometry. If you're transitioning from 2D drafting to 3D modeling, learning how to extrude polylines is one of the first skills you should master. It provides a fast and efficient way to convert drawing outlines into solid objects that can be viewed, modified, and rendered in 3 dimensions. The good news is that AutoCAD makes this process very simple, especially when you're working with closed polylines. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to convert a 2D polyline into a 3D solid and begin creating basic 3D models in AutoCAD. So let's get started. The first method is to use the Extrude command. Before starting, make sure your polyline is completely closed. You can select the polyline and verify that it forms a closed shape. Next, type Extrude into the command line and press Enter. Select the closed polyline and press Enter again. Now enter the extrusion height you want to use. For example, you can enter a value such as 100 or any height that matches your project requirements. Press Enter and AutoCAD will convert the 2D polyline into a 3D solid. You can then switch to a 3D view to inspect the result and confirm that the solid was created successfully. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, make sure the polyline is fully closed before attempting to extrude it. Second, start the Extrude command and select the polyline. And third, enter the desired extrusion height to create the 3D solid. Remember that only closed shapes can be converted directly into solid objects. If your polyline contains gaps or is not fully closed, AutoCAD may create a surface instead of a solid. Taking a moment to verify the shape before extruding can save time and help prevent modeling issues later in the project. Extruding 2D geometry is one of the fastest ways to build basic 3D models, and it's a technique used in many architectural, engineering, and product design workflows. Once you're comfortable with extrusion, you'll be able to create more advanced 3D objects and explore additional modeling tools available in AutoCAD. It's a simple command, but it's also one of the most powerful features for moving from 2D drafting into 3D design. And that's how to extrude a 2D polyline into a 3D solid in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.